Ooh. Okay, there is no gearbox in there. Well, there is a small gearbox in there, but the speed control is by a variomatic system. So it's better not to turn this dial. So it's better not to turn this dial when the machine is off. But of course, we cannot use this for. Well, in theory, we could use this by mounting a servo to here, and with some kind of speed sensor, we could use it to change the RPM of the machine, so that is a possibility. But I do think it's just much easier to get. I do think it's just much easier to just remove this whole thing and just make two pulleys, to make it just a normal two pulley system, and use a frequency drive to to control the speed of the motor itself. Okay, so the electric pump that is sitting underneath the motor normally is controlling the tool changer, and it does something in here. But what? I don't know. So I thought it was maybe from the automatic oiler system, but it's only manual. So I definitely have to look into that. Maybe I can get a automatic one. Not that this is really a big of a problem. That is also a thing I could do later, but it is something to think about. But what I'm really interested in is why it also goes into here. Because it's a pressurized system. Could it be it? Oh, I think I already know what it does. I do think it's a hydraulic lock, or so that the spindle doesn't move when you want to change a tool. Hopefully you can see it, but it's just that. It's just a hydraulic lock. Of course we need the oil line for the ball screw to lubricate the ball screw. We don't need the actuator line for to lock or unlock the axes. But we do need to run a stepper motor or a servo motor wire. It's more need to do it by this one than do it external. If it is possible, of course. If it's not possible, then well, too bad. But I have to clean this anyway. Ta-da!